aspirants, hope you are doing great. And you must aware that we have started this campaign to help you in your journey to crack CAT 2024 uh, and score a 99 plus percentile. And for that, we are bringing question of the day and its solution, detailed solution with shortcuts and all. Right? I am Uttam Kumar Sharma and I'm an FMS Delhi alumnus, 18 plus years CAT teaching experience. So let's understand this question. You can see on the screen the number of common terms in the two sequences. The sequence means there are two series, right? Sequence means series. The two series or two patterns that you can see is one is 17, 21, 25, and so on. Means you can see that the sequence is following a trend of plus 4, 17 plus 4, 21, so 21 plus 4, 25, and so on. So it's an arithmetic progression with a common difference of 4. And the second series that we can see is 16, 25. So this is another arithmetic progression AP with a common difference of 5. So let us understand, we need to find out the common terms between them. How to solve it? Previously in CAT, this kind of questions have often been seen. Even in other exams like IFT, SNAP, and MAT, this is extremely important. So let's understand how to solve it, and that too very fast. So the first thing you need to understand is this series ka common difference is 4. Right, let me write it. This is series 1. Common difference, I'm writing CD, that is D, is 4. 4. You know how to calculate it? 21 minus 17, right? Let me write it for you. 21 minus 17. The difference between consecutive terms, right? Successor minus predecessor. And series 2, right, we have common difference, that is D, as 21 minus 16, that is 5, right? So these are the two series. Now, you need to observe that which is the first term which is common in both. So let's understand this question now step by step. Even a beginner who do not know AP, GP and formula can solve this question. So the first step is that you need to identify the first common term between the series. That you can see clearly as 21. For that, you need to write the series a bit. Sometimes it happens that you cannot see the common term, first common term. So you need to write the series like 25 ke baad 29, then 33, 37, and so on. And here 31, 26 ke baad, then 36, 41, and so on. So if you write, you will get the first common term very easily. Once you got the first common term, you know the series. The common terms would be the shortcut of it is like the first term would be 21. And after that, the LCM of these two common differences, that is 4 and 5, 20, would be the new common difference. Are you understanding? The new common difference. राइट आई होप दिस इज क्लियर सो एक नया सीरीज बन जाएगा कॉमन टर्म्स दोनों का जिससे पहला 21 है नेक्स्ट आप देखोगे अगर आप लिखते जाते यहाँ पे लाइक 29 देन 33 देन 37 ये देखो 41 यहाँ पे भी लिखोगे 31 36 41 तो ऐसे 41 मतलब ये जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है ये 20 का कॉमन डिफरेंस है ये सीरीज चलेगा तो देयर विल बी अनदर सीरीज दैट विल बी having a common difference of 20, you can easily write 61 and dot dot dot. And what will be the last term? Last term, एकदम दोनों में last term में छोटा कौन सा है? The smaller one is 417. So the last term would be less than or equal to 4117 with this series. I hope this is clear. Now you need to calculate how many terms are there till here. And terms का formula होता है AP में कोई भी टर्म का nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला था a plus n minus 1 into d. A is first term, that is 21. D is common difference, that is already 20. I told you. N हमें calculate करना है, we need to calculate n. So now let's do it. So we will be putting in this formula, right? A की जगह we can put 21. N we need to calculate, right? Formula का -1, then common difference is 20. And this has to be less than equal to 417 because after 417 ये सीरीज ही खत्म हो गई ना So how can you find something that is common between these two series? So you can find the number that is maximum or closest to 417, right? So when you solve it, ये इनइक्वालिटी का साइन देख के घबराओगे नहीं. अगर डर लग रहा है तो इसको आप लोग सिंपल इक्वल टू देख के भी ट्रीट करोगे तो गलत नहीं आएगा. आप इक्वल टू भी दोगे तो आंसर सेम ही आएगा, बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ये इधर आया, इट बिकम्स माइनस. सो माइनस हो गया तो कितना हो गया? दिस बिकम्स 396, राइट? Yes, 396. So when you solve further, this becomes 396 divided by 20. Now, since see, when you divide it 20, you are getting 19 point something, right? 19 point something. 19 कैसे आया? 380 and 16. मतलब 19.8 आया. तो अगर आप n निकालोगे तो this has to be less than equal to 20.8. 20.8 का मतलब my term cannot be fraction. Panchwa term, fifth term, sixth term. It has to be an integer. So the integral value should be, right, 20. The 20th term would be the last term that will be common to both, because 470 exactly, because 20.8 is exactly 417, which do not lie in this series. So they are not common. So a number that is closest to 417 and less than 417, that will be 20th term. So your n is 20 and hence your answer is this. I hope this method is clear, right? And this is the shortest way to calculate this kind of question or solve this kind of question. So keep subscribing, subscribe our channel and keep watching every day's question of the day. We will cover even LR, we will cover even verbal ability and many shortcuts. I'll explain how every time I score 99 plus in CAT. So the tricks and techniques that will be shared, in future. So keep watching our video to maximize and guarantee your chances of scoring a 99 plus percentile.